Welcome to Phone Transformer. In this video, we'll show you how to fix Mobile Legends login error problem in a few simple steps so you can get back in the game without any hassle. Step 1. First, unlock your phone, then restart the game. That means swipe up from the bottom of the screen to open the app drawer and swipe away Mobile Legends to close it completely. Step 2. Now, open the Mobile Legends app again. Wait for a few moments to let the loading process complete. If the button still doesn't work or you're stuck, it's time to restart your phone. Step 3. To restart your phone, press and hold the power button and the volume down button together. When the menu appears, tap on the restart option, then confirm by tapping again. Your phone will automatically restart. Step 4. Once your phone is back on, check the app again. If the login problem continues, it's time to clear the app storage. Tap and hold the Mobile Legends app icon, then select App Info to open the settings menu. Step 5. Inside the settings menu, scroll down and find the storage option. Tap on it and you'll see two buttons, Clear Cache and Clear Data. Tap on both. This removes any corrupted files that may be causing the login issue. Step 6. Still not working? No worries. Go back to your home screen and open the Play Store app. Tap on the search bar and type Mobile Legends, then hit Search. Step 7. From the search results, tap on Mobile Legends. If you see an update button, tap it to update the app. Updates often fix bugs and login issues. If you don't see an update button, don't panic. Let's try the next step. Step 8. You can uninstall the Mobile Legends app completely. Just tap on Uninstall and then tap OK and install the app again to proceed. Step 9. Once the installation is complete, open the app. Follow the on-screen instructions carefully, and you should now be able to fix Mobile Legends login error problems easily. Thanks for watching, and please subscribe to the channel.